Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AppSheet step by step, even if you are a complete beginner in 2025. By the end of this video, you will know what AppSheet is, how to navigate the full dashboard, and we will even build a sample working app together without writing a single line of code. So whether you want to create an inventory tracker or mobile form app or automate workflows, this tutorial will help you get started fast. Now, first thing first, what exactly is AppSheet? AppSheet is a no-code platform by Google that lets you build mobile and web app straight from your data, like Google Sheet, Excel, or SQL databases. That means even if you don't know how to code, you can build powerful internal tools, dashboards, forms, inventory system, delivery tracker, and all with just spreadsheet and few clicks. Now, alright, let's jump right in and explore the AppSheet dashboard together. First, what you have to do is go to about.appsheet.com. This kind of interface will look like in front of you. What you have to do is just simply click on the get started. From here, you have to sign in with your Google account, or you can use Microsoft, Apple, Dropbox, or Smartsheet or Box as well. Now, I will choose Google. Simply click on the Google and then choose the Gmail and click on the continue. Then allow it. Give few seconds. Now tell us, they will ask you, tell us about you so we can make better recommendation, which is what team do you work on? You can select it from here. I will just simply select randomly what process can help simplify time sheets or employee wellness, and I will just simply select the random things. Now, which best describe you? I am a programmer, experience, I am a comfortable with spreadsheet formulas, none of the above. Click on the submit. Now, this is a basic dashboard of AppSheet. From here, you can create your app. Just simply click on it, and from you will get to see there are two options. First is app, and the second one is database. If you go in the app, you can start with existing data, or you can start with a template, and you can start from scratch. So, basically, template meaning it is already made or it is pre-built. So you can choose pre-built apps and you can customize based on your needs. If you go into database, you can create a new database into AppSheet, or you can just import from your sheet as well. Now, the recent, if you see in the recent, there is in the recent tab, here you will get to see recent apps which you are made. Right now, I have not created any app, so it will look like this. Now, if you shared with me, no app shared with you. If other people shared app with you, they will appear over here. Now, in the owned by me, from here you can create your first app. You can build app with rich views and access control, automate reminders and update. You can organize your data and connect to other sources as well. Now, if you go into templates, so template is a basically, these are some pre-built apps. If you want to say simple survey taking app or simple inventory app, just click on the preview. So this is a preview of that app, as you can see here. So yeah, this is from here you can add a name, description, image, total stock available, and you can manage inventory using this app. So this is which this app is used to manage inventory, and you can use it. You can use this template for building your inventory, your own inventory app as well. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see a lot of template. Now, from here, you can filter out your template as well. Now, you can search by template name, description, purpose, and category as well. Now, for example, if you want a template like technology related, you can just simply filter it out. Workstation booking, there we go. If you want some specific functions, you can select that too. Now, if you want some features, some specific features, you can add that too. Now complexity, basic, intermediate, and advanced, you can choose as well complexity of that app. Now this is a template. Now let's create a simple app together. Now we will use a Google Sheet as the data source. Now if you want to create from your template, you can use start with a template, but I will use with start with existing data. So what I will do, so first I'm going to prepare our Google Sheet. Just type Google Sheet in the Google and hit the enter button, and then just simply sign in. Now this is a spreadsheet. We will give the name of this spreadsheet is first app, and then you can enter your name, and then first create a Google Sheet with the following columns like names, the part. Okay, we have to create columns, not the raw department, and then phone number, and then email, and then profile picture URL, profile picture URL. So now fill in a few dummy rows to test. For name will be around like simply what I will do, I will just simply drag this column into little bit in bottom. Now what I will do, I will just simply add some random name over here. For example, maker, department is IT, and then phone number, and then email address, tech serve. Let's copy my email address from here, copy that, and then hit the enter. Remove that and click. You can, if you want to add a profile picture URL, you can add that too. Let's go to profile, search for X. You can do what you can do. You just simply go on your Instagram, or I will just remove this profile picture URL because I don't want to add that. Uh, let's okay. Now this is a phone number, department, maker, email address. So now what you have to do is create new app, go back to your app sheet and click on the app. Now before that, what you can do is just simply click on anyone with the link and save it. Let's just play the side, save side, and click on the click on the app, start with the existing data. uh, Here you have to give your app name. You can give like whatever name you want, like make curve, and then choose a category and field surveys, project property, or inventory management. You can give the category of your app. This is other. Just simply click on the choose your data, and then from here you have to click on this Google Sheet. If you have created form, you can click on the create form. If you want to create new source, just simply click on the new source. It will give you the lots of data sources. You can connect with that too. Now in my case, I'm choosing this Google Sheet which I have created. Click on it. From here you will get to see the first app which we have created already. Just simply select and click on it. Now AppSheet will scan your data and automatically create a basic app. You will see a list of views of employees and detailed view when you uh, click on a name, and the ability to edit or add a new entries. You can do that as well. This is okay. From here, as you can see, this is our app. This is a preview. Click on the add. From here, you can add name, maker. Click on it, save. So this is a basic app. You can use it. Now the app is saving changes, as you can see here. Now If you want to delete something, you can delete as well. So this is a basic app which I have created just to show you. Now, if you want to change from a mobile app to tablet, you can change. From desktop, you can change as well. Now from here, okay, this is our mobile. Okay, this is our preview app for desktop. If you want to add something, you can add as well. For example, name will be this one. What is your father name? Simply add it. What is your father name? It will add a new column and the row. So if you want to filter out, you can filter it out as well. Now let's say app gallery, go to app gallery. If you want to share that app, now if you want, let's say if you want to change in the theme or in the fonts or in like if you want to customize your app theme, just what you can do is just simply click on this apply a theme. You can set your brand color and logos, whatever you can do with it. Just simply click on the theme and brand. From here you can choose color of your theme. Now if you want to change the app logo, from here you can change it. For let's say if they allow us to post our own logo, this is custom. Click on custom, and from here we can change the launch image. If you want to upload or if you want to give your custom logo app, what you have to do is just simply add that URL over here and it will appear something in your front. Now I will choose default one. If you want to choose background image, you can choose header footer. If you want to give, this is a header footer. Yeah, you can customize a lot of things. In the data there is a relationship. This is a where you can see how data is going. First app and view and legacy. If you want to go, this is a blank value like compression mode. Here you can like see how compression operator works. Now in the view, the general, here you can use accounting formats and a lot of, you can do a lot of things over here. Go into performance. Here you can see setting. You can change the setting based on your needs. After doing all of those things, click on the save. It will save your app and syncing with the app. As you can see here, we have successfully created and made changes into our apps. Now, let's say if you want to create app using template, what you can do is just simply click on the create button over here and just simply click on the start with the template. Now choose any of this, click on the copy, click on the copy app, and then it will open the copy app. This is a theme. This is a basic data. You can explore your app, see what does it and how it connects to data. Now, this is, it will take few seconds to copy our app. As you can see here, click on the save. Now, if you want to show, if you want to like apply a theme, you can apply as well. Now, if you want to customize a view, you can customize, you can control how data is presented in your app. Let's invite a user, share your app with the other user as well. Just simply click on it. And over here, you can add your email or domain and just simply copy user or share link as well. This is installed on mobile, on the browser, and the view and copy or edit for I will just simply copy this one and I will share with my friend or who is going to help me with this app. Now let's deploy and launch our app. Click on the deploy and launch, run the deploy and check, click on it, and it will take few seconds to see if you should. So yeah, in the app description there is a warning. If you want to like change something over here, you can change as well, but I will not go into that part, but yeah, you can do that. Now click on the move app to deploy and state despite errors. Now yeah, click on it and we have successfully deployed our app. Check deployment, return to protocol status, your app simply survey is deployed. Now brand apps, plan equipment, you can analyze app feature as well. You can give title to a broadcast notification. So you have lost lot of option. Now, yeah, that's it. You have just built your first app using AppSheet in 2025 without writing any code. We covered what AppSheet is. We walked through the full dashboard and built a working employee directory app together. If you found this helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe for more no coding AI tools. And let me know in the comment what app you want to build in the next. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.